What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and this is the TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and I partnered with TECNO to bring you an early unboxing and first look. One of the first videos with this in the world, so a thumbs up for your boy would be appreciated. Now this is going to be retailing for under $200, offering one of the highest performing selfie smartphones in this price bracket. Let's go ahead and get unboxed. So inside the box you are presented with the device itself. We've got some of the highlight features here on the cover. You also get a clear case included so you can start using your Spark 10 Pro right away. We have an 18-watt charger included with the device. There's a pack with a SIM card tool, a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, and some 3.5mm earphones. Now let's get to the devices. We have both of the colors here, the starry black as well as the pearl white. Now we have a starry glass back on both of these, which is durable, flat edges, as well as the triple ring design. Now there's also a bit of a two-tone finish on both devices, which looks pretty cool. Now we're going to turn this around and take a look at the display. Now this is a 6.8-inch Full HD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, making things smooth. And we've also got a DCI-P3 color gamut, making colors very accurate. And while we are at the front, we have to talk about one of the highlight features of the TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and that is the 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now this is in the form of a punch out on the display here in the middle, and it's one of the clearest selfie cameras in this price range. And it also uses 4-in-1 remosaic technology, which combines 4 pixels into one, giving you brighter selfies. But taking things one step further, we have built-in dual front 10 lux soft lights, which provide 3 levels of adjustable intensity. Now this is going to be very useful if you're taking selfies in low light environments. There are not many smartphones out there that have a front-facing flash for the selfie camera, and certainly not in this price range. There is also a super flashlight algorithm to correct for overexposure, which can help balance the brightness between the background and foreground. And you can see more examples of selfies taken on the Spark 10 Pro, and even in tricky situations where there is light in the background, you'll see that it does maintain highlight and shadow details, which you are unlikely to find in this price range. So that's for the selfies. Let's turn this around and take a look at the rear-facing cameras. Now what I like about the TECNO Spark 10 Pro is instead of having multiple average cameras, TECNO has really put all their concentration on the primary camera. This is a 50 megapixel primary camera with a wide f1.6 aperture. Now with this triple ring design, you also get an AI camera, which is going to assess the scene and adjust the colors accordingly, as well as this dual flash. Now the primary camera does have a super night mode for low light images, and there's also a cinematography mode for video, which is going to help you shoot different scenarios, as well as HDR and bokeh effects for fun with vlogging. Now internally, this is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 processor. Now for this price point, it's a very capable processor, and it has MediaTek's Hyper Engine 2.0, which is going to give you multi-network prediction to make the most out of your network, low latency, which is going to really help with gaming, as well as resource management to prioritize your tasks. There is also the Game Turbo algorithm, which estimates lag scenarios and optimizes game fluency while providing effective temperature control by optimizing the cooling system. You do get 8 GB of RAM to run multiple applications, but this can be extended all the way to 16 GB of RAM with extended RAM, which is actually a rare feature for smartphones in this price range. For storage, you do get either 128 or 256 GB of storage. But if we take a look around the device, and on the left-hand side, the SIM card tray has space for a micro SD card, so you can expand the storage here on the TECNO Spark 10 Pro. And there's also space for 2 SIM cards, which you can have active at the same time. We have nothing at the top. On the right hand side, there is the volume buttons as well as the power button. This doubles up as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, we have a speaker, a USB Type C port, as well as, of course, that 3.5mm headphone jack. So if you've got some existing earphones, you're going to be able to use those. You can use the ones included with the TECNO Spark 10 Pro. And you can also, of course, use wireless Bluetooth earphones if you'd like to. For software, we do have TECNO's Hi OS, and for the battery, we have a very large 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is going to keep you going all day long. And once again, you do get that included 18-watt charger to give you fast top-ups, or for the price of under $200. Now, depending on your region, you might be able to even get this quite a bit lower than $200. I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description below so you can check out the latest pricing and availability. Now, there are other devices in the Spark series. We've got the Spark 10, we've got the Spark 10 5G, as well as the Spark 10C. So we've got something for everybody. What do you guys think of the TECNO Spark 10 Pro? Drop me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. TECNO, as always, are bringing lots of competitive devices at very affordable price points. If you want to see a previous TECNO device that I've covered, then I'm going to link that here, as well as another related video here. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, then do consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.